Hey y'all, so today is day 3 at New York Fashion Week, and I wanted to basically show you what I'm wearing for today. This piece, the main piece, is this khaki dress from L'Oreal. They sent me this dress and I had to bring it to New York. I paired it with this jacket that I used to sell, and I paired it with my burgundy wine color platform heels. This hat, I forgot the name, but I will tag it. And I decided to basically pair it with a tie that I ordered from Amazon along with this white collared shirt. So silver is the accessories that I'm going for because the hats got like silver detailing, chains, etc. So this is the look. It's simple but cute is a look. This is my day 3 outfit.